Good morning. Do you remember the movie The Lion King? The very ending? Remember that bit on Pride Rock? He goes, "It is time. Little boysenberry, it is time." Not a lot of boysenberries. It's only my first year growing them, but enough for boysenberry ice cream. So first the syrup, boysenberries, the ones we've got. A little bit of sugar, make syrup, and brandy. Let's put a dash. So next, 2 cups of cream and 2 cups of milk, and bring that almost to the boil. While all that's going on, you need 5 egg yolks. So get your bum nuts and separate out. Save the egg whites, makes a nice omelette. Put your 5 egg yolks, 1 cup of sugar, and whip it, and whip it good till it goes whitish. Righto, milk's nice and hot. Whip the egg whites and the sugar. That's what I do. Put a bit of the milk in first. And make sure that's all nicely mixed. And then go back the other way. Give it a good mix. Now we're going to bring it back to the heat again until this turns into a custard and starts sticking to a wooden spoon. Righty, so that's thickened up nicely now. We're going to put that into a plastic container. Nice flat container. You're going to stick that in the freezer till it's really cold, not frozen, really cold. Then we can put it in the ice cream machine. So, the ice cream is done. Now it's just a matter of layer of ice cream and make a twirl. So there we go. Full tub boysenberry ice cream for the freezer. You ever watch those cooking shows, right? And it gets to the end and the chef and the cook, they're tasting what they've just cooked and they go, "Oh, that's just amazing." I mean, what the fuck? What did you think they were gonna say? I just cooked something that tastes like shit. No, so I'm gonna do what they do. Wow, you gotta do this. Boysenberry ice cream and grow your own boysenberries. How good is that? Oh, brain freeze.